Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to enable God mode in Windows 11. So in order to do that guys, just go ahead and choose any kind of place in your PC, whether it's your desktop, documents folder, downloads, wherever you wish. And then just right click and then go new and create a new folder like this. And guys, right away, don't click away. As you can see, when you create your new folder, you're prompted to make a name for it. And under the name field, just input this God mode string and click away or press enter. And now as you can see, it takes a form of a control panel or icon, right? As you can see, it also says see a list of all program tasks. That's kind of gimmicky, but just go ahead and open. And now as you can see, we have plenty of settings that you can change at a glance. So instead of going ahead and open up your settings, maybe control panel, or maybe messing around in the registry editor, you can just do it here. Whatever feature you want, just double click, it opens up this corresponding setting, and you're good to go. Also, if you wish, you can just create a shortcut to quickly access these settings later on. Yeah, enjoy guys, I hope this helps. Don't forget to subscribe as well.